Well, hello lifestylers and welcome back to Lifestyle with LaToshia. Well, in today's video, you're going to get to see my office. I am going to decorate my office for Christmas and I'm doing something a lot different this year. I know I mentioned that I was going to be incorporating some reds throughout my home and this one is a little bit different. It's more of a reddish, pinkish, burgundyish color. However, this behind me is what the inspiration came from. So I saw this and I absolutely fell in love with it. And what I love about this is the fact that it has beautiful sayings on it, like beautiful enough, smart enough, bold enough, strong enough, and kind enough. And I just love the fact that this represents where we need to be today with everything that's going on and so much devastation and sadness that is happening. We need to empower ourselves to understand that we are stronger than we know and that we can accomplish much more if we simply start with that internal thinking. So this is my motivation and my inspiration for myself. And so I thought it was beautiful. I took the time to put it into my office because when I come into my office, this is what I want to see every day. So this video is going to be really quick. I want to thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time, as I always say, welcome you guys. I'm really glad that you made a decision to stop by Lifestyle with LaToshia. And for the people that have been here before and that have subscribed, or if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you to be a part of all that we're doing on this channel. I love to hear your comments, as you always leave positive comments and great things and even some ideas, which I'm always open to. And then, of course, I would love for you to share my video with someone else that you think may enjoy what you've seen, and that you may find a little bit of inspiration and motivation for your own home. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the tree. The tree in this room is already decorated, but I'm going to show you how I install some decor items around this room just to make it all cohesive for the holiday season. So I want to thank you for joining me and let's get started. Well, all right, guys, I am wanting to show you this actual portrait that I actually DIY'd and created myself. And I'm going to show you how I have designed the tree to match cohesively with the portrait. As you can see, I've got some deep burgundy color with some black and some gold and silver on this tree, with a few picks. And I know that I mentioned earlier about the haul that I did in July at that warehouse, and the ribbon, the burgundy ribbon, some of the ornaments like that one there, a few of the larger ornaments, this burgundy colored ornament, and some of the extra large ones at the bottom actually came from that haul. The others are items that I already had. However, anything that is still shoppable, I will link it down below in my LTK shop, or of course, you can always scan the QR code right here on the screen. The tree is fully flocked. I love it in my office. My office is tricorn black, which is a very dark and moody color. And I love how this tree actually looks perfect in this space. So we're going to go ahead and start with the bookshelf. And the first thing that I'm going to put up is my Be Still sign. The next thing is a hammered vase that I've had and used quite often. And then these are some picks that I actually got from that haul as well. And I love them because they have little icicle beads on them. And I just think they're so pretty. So going on to the next shelf, I'm going to put in another faux floral. And then these little black houses that tie into my black walls in my office. And I love the way that they look. And then I'm going to put some tea lights in them as well. And then, of course, inspiration all over my office. Be thankful. Reminders every day. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this magazine holder with this at-home book, coffee table book, and I'm going to add it. And I love how I found a page in there that actually tied in with my office space as well. And then the next thing is I'm going to bring in some more of those picks and put them on just to kind of bring in little touches of Christmas. I don't want to overdo it, so I'm just adding in just a few touches. Of course, I got to bring in the grandbabies when they were smaller, and I love how their background actually has some color that matches the tree and the portrait. And this is another faux flower that I'm going to bring in that matches that flock tree as well. And then, of course, we've got to add in a reindeer. Now, moving right along, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side where I'm going to add in one of these flocked faux florals. And I'm going to bring in the largest size of that black house that I have of the set on the other side as well. And then I'm going to bring in a globe to finish out the space. So moving down to the next shelf, of course, I've got to bring in some portraits of my husband and myself. And I love this infinity sign because basically we've been together for so long. It feels like it's been an eternity. I'm going to bring in another one of those picks on this side just to add in little small touches of Christmas on each shelf. And then I'm bringing in another faux floral tree that is going to go here, and then more inspiration. And I love the inspiration that I have all over my office. It's the perfect touches. And then this is a sister to that first vase that is hammered. This one's a little bit of a different shape, and I love the way it looks. And then now I'm going to bring in this gold tray that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And I'm going to bring in some more of those picks, and I'm just going to put them on there just to create a foundation for the vignette that I'm about to create in this space. Now, if you've been here before, you've seen these pieces. These are obelisk, and these actually came from the gallery. I have two of them. One is extremely tall, and one is a little bit shorter. And when I tell you, they have some serious weight. And I love styling them when I don't want to overdo the space with decor, but I want to create some interest. Bringing in another deer to match, and I'm going to sit it in this tray with this vignette. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is bring in, of course, a candle. The final space will be on the other side, and I'm going to bring in a hurricane with one of those picks in there and our oversized candle. And then, of course, the Twilight view is for you to enjoy. What do you think? I absolutely love the way my office turned out. I love how there is such a pop of color. I love the mixture of the metals and the different colors. They just blend so beautifully. And when I tell you it makes my heart happy, I am truly inspired, I'm encouraged, and I want to do the same thing for you. I know that there are many people right now that are dealing with a lot of uncertainty. I'm so sorry that that is your experience, but I want you to know that there are people that are praying for you, and I am one of them. I know life brings trials and tribulations and challenges, and sometimes we don't know which way to turn. Just know that there's someone who is encouraging you from afar, and I just pray that you get some sense of peace and that you connect with someone that can encourage you close to you. Life brings challenges, it does. However, we are strong. We are bold. You are loved. And I pray that as you go into this season, that you know that in your heart. I pray for you, and I thank you for joining me today. As always, take care. Bye-bye.